How to log into EPFO employee account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Now search for EPFO login. After you land to this page, you have to click on this very first link, Employees Provident Fund Organization. Open that link. And you will land to this kind of page. Over here you can find this option of services. Click on that drop down, and from here you have to select the option of for employees. Click on it. Now scroll down. Under services you can find different options. Choose the option that you want to log in. Here I have chose member passbook. Now all you have to do is fill up this information. Here I have to type in UAN and password. After you fill up required details, you have to just click on this option of sign in and you will be signed into the account. This is how you can easily log into EPFO employee account. This was it. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.